The majority of the browsers in the market use the Chromium platform and therefore are compatible with the Chrome Web Store, and you can install Kurator on them. Outside of Safari and Firefox, every other browser that I've tested supports the Chrome Web Store. Let's try a few of them to see how they work. Let's start with the Edge browser from Microsoft. To access the extension menu, you click on the three dots on the right-hand side of your toolbar, and you go to the extensions menu, click on Manage Extensions, and down below you can see that there is a link to the Chrome Web Store. Of course, you can also manually go directly to the Chrome Web Store, and here I'm going to search for Kurator, and when I find it, I'm going to simply say Get and add the extension. Once the extension is added, I'm going to pin it and then simply log in to my account. And you can see that all of my bookmarks and Kurator app is now available on Edge. If you're working amongst browsers, every time you come to a new browser, simply hit refresh to make sure that your latest bookmarks are synced in the new browser. Next, we're going to take a look at Brave and do the same thing. So next, let's take a look at a few of the other popular browsers. Here I am in Brave. For Brave, you click on the window and you can reach the extensions menu there. You can see I already have Kurator installed, and they have a link directly to the web store, and they only use the Chrome Web Store. The other popular browser that has just come out is Comet. And in Comet, you again go to the window, to the extensions, and you can see that the Chrome Web Store is accessible directly from here. I've already installed Kurator on Comet, and you can see that I have access to all of my bookmarks here. Arc is another popular browser, a modern browser, and the extensions have their own menu, Manage Extensions, and you can see over here, again, a link to the Chrome Web Store. If the browser is compatible, you can just directly go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Kurator, and install it. You will get a message if it's installed. If not, you'll be given the option to install it. Kurator is compatible with Chromium-based browsers, and it allows you to carry your bookmark across multiple browsers and access them everywhere.